Welcome to our video tutorial on Covidence, provided by the Library of Rush University Medical Center. Covidence is designed to assist researchers who are working on large-scale reviews, such as systematic reviews or scoping reviews. The library provides Covidence free of charge to Rush-associated researchers. This video will cover what Covidence has to offer and demonstrate how to use some of its more popular features. For a detailed print tutorial, from the library's homepage, click on Help, then Help Topics, then navigate to the Covidence guide. Covidence is designed to be used after you have developed a final search strategy for each database that you plan to include. It will not help you find articles. For assistance in using the databases, we do have a guide for each database under the Help topic as well. Covidence does several things very well. It easily handles large citation batch imports. It allows researchers to see each title and abstract from each imported citation in one place, regardless of the database it came from. Team members can vote on whether or not that citation is applicable. It provides a place to attach PDFs of full text. It can give you a Prisma-type flowchart, and it allows for easy data extraction. Now we'll go over the specific steps to use these features. To begin, once you've got your final search strategies completed and you're ready to start a new review, click the word Covidence from the library's homepage and choose the best access option. Covidence's main screen or dashboard is divided into 4 areas: import references, title abstract screening, full text review, and data extraction. The first step is to import citations from databases such as PubMed or CINAHL. Just make sure the results in each database are saved as an RIS file or in PubMed format. If you need help with this, check out Rush's tutorial using the Help button on the library homepage for step-by-step instructions for each database. In the drop-down box, select Screen, then select the file. As you'll have a file of citations from each database, you'll have to do this import process several times, once for each database. Once all the citations are imported, you're ready to start screening the title and abstract of each citation. Covidence allows users to see every citation's title and abstract on one page, regardless of which database it came from. Covidence is set up so that 2 people review each citation and vote yes, no, or maybe. If there's only one reviewer, you can change that in Settings. The citations that both reviewers vote yes on go to the next step, full text review. The ones that both vote no on are deemed irrelevant. The ones that have mixed reviews or get a maybe vote go into an area called Resolve Conflicts. Once both reviewers have evaluated each citation, you're ready for full text review. In full text review, you no longer see the abstract, but here you have the option of attaching a PDF of each article. In full text review, when you vote no on an article, it requires you to give a reason. This is because many systematic reviews discuss reasons for exclusion in the article, often in the form of a Prisma-type flowchart. Covidence comes pre-populated with common exclusion reasons, and you can easily add your own. Covidence will track the exclusions and compile them into a flowchart. Just click the word Prisma on the main dashboard page. Covidence will generate a flowchart that illustrates the flow of the citations from the beginning import through the final selection of articles to be used in the paper. You can copy this flowchart and use it in your article. Finally, Covidence has a data extraction function to assist with meta-analysis. Many researchers also really like using this export function. Covidence allows you to export all citation information into many formats, including a CSV formatted spreadsheet. One thing that Covidence does not do is format a bibliography for you, like RefWorks does. If you want RefWorks to do this for you, go into Export in Covidence and ask it to export the articles you want to be in your references section, probably the ones you have decided to include, in RefWorks format. You can then import that file into RefWorks and ask it to create a bibliography for you. This has been a brief overview of Covidence and some of the ways it can assist researchers with large-scale reviews. If you have any questions about Covidence, please reach out to our librarians using the Ask Us button on the library homepage. Thank you for watching this tutorial.